4 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power y is equal to 960. What is the value of x and y? I want to find the integer value of x and y from this equation. Solution. From this given equation, 960 is greater than 0. Then we have 4 raised to the power s minus 4 raised to the power y is equal to 960. Then we can see that here 4 raised to the power s is positive and 4 raised to the power y is negative. Therefore, 4 raised to the power a is greater than 4 raised to the power y. Since 4 raised to the power s is greater than 4 raised to the power y, s is greater than y. Let s is equal to y plus k, where k is any integer. We have 4 raised to the power to y plus k minus 4 raised to the power y is equal to 960. Then take note of this exponential rule that if a raised to the power n plus m is equal to a raised to the power n multiplied by a raised to the power m. We have 4 raised to the power y multiplied by 4 raised to the power k minus 4 raised to the power y is equal to 960. 4 raised to the power y is common here. Let's bring it out. 4 raised to the power y bracket 4 raised to the power k minus 1 is equal to 960. 960 is equal to 64 multiplied by 15. Yeah. 4 raised to the power y bracket 4 raised to the power k minus 1 is equal to 64 multiplied by 15. Then from here, 4 raised to the power y is even. 4 raised to the power k minus 1 is odd. 64 is even. And 15 is odd. Therefore, 4 raised to the power y is equal to 64. Let's call this equation 1. Then 4 raised to the power k minus 1 is equal to 15. Let's call this equation 2. Let's work with this first. From equation 1, 4 raised to the power y is equal to 64. 4 raised to the power y is equal to 64 is 4 raised to the power 3. And they have the same base. Therefore, y is equal to 3. This is the value of y. Then from equation 2, 4 raised to the power k minus 1 is equal to 15. 4 raised to the power k is equal to 15. If this one cross to the other side, it becomes plus 1. Then 4 raised to the power k is equal to 16. 4 raised to the power k is equal to 16 is 4 square. They have the same base, 4. Therefore, k is equal to 2. This is the value of k. But s is equal to y plus k. We already know our y is equal to 3, k is equal to 2, then s is equal to 3 plus 2. S is equal to 5. This is the value of x. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. We have the given equation 4 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power y is equal to 960. Then when s is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3, we have 4 raised to power 5 minus 4 raised to power 3 must be equal to 960. 4 raised to power 5 is equal to 1024. Then 4 raised to power 3 is equal to 64. Now we have 1024 minus 64 must be equal to 960. 1024 minus 64, this is 960 is equal to 960, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. If you enjoyed the class, please don't forget to like,